Happy Tuesday, you guys. It's Matthew Long, and this is my stock and options update here for September the 16th. All right, so we just got the closing bell. I wanted to give you an update. Last week, I didn't do too many updates. I've been trading Lululemon. I did some quick out-the-money puts on Chipotle that were profitable. My current positions right now, I took a lot off my Lululemon. I had a covered call position going there from a recent wheel strategy that I was putting on. But right now I'm selling some out-the-money calls because Monday Tesla had a really nice move, and I just went ahead and wanted to sell some of the call premium on that move. So I'm kind of holding on to that and adding a little bit to it as we go through the week with its sustained strength. That said, let me show you my portfolio and then what my current positions are and what I'll be trading throughout the rest of this week. All right, as you can see, today is the 16th, and today we had a nice little bounce day of just over 1%. Year to date, we're now up 50% on this portfolio. We would be higher, but I had to pay that huge interest payment on that massive wheel that we were doing in Lululemon earlier. So if you recall, I paid about $4,000 in margin interest. So yeah, we're kind of back at the same basis, but we're making some good positive trades and having some nice momentum carrying us through the rest of this 2025 year. All right, here are my current on positions. There was Lululemon. I had about 1,000 shares of this, and again, I got assigned on this about 2 weeks ago. It wasn't a big position. It was about 1,000 shares, and as you can see here, I had wrote some calls against it, and ultimately I kind of took down all the Lululemon. So all I have really remaining is I sold some out the money some out the money puts on Lulu. Nothing really major, just 10 contracts, current basis at 26 cents. So we only have about $260 on that trade. And then the Tesla, I've got two that I've put on here. Let me scroll down here real fast. There we go. So I've got about 20 contracts there between 487 and 485. So plenty of upside for bulls for Tesla throughout the rest of this week, but not too much, about $700, $800 worth total for premium to be collected. But goal is to kind of move this portfolio just above 397 by the close of Friday. Another trade I'm looking at, we've got a big rate decision here upcoming tomorrow, but I will say if I see any more strength coming out of Meta, I'll definitely sell some upside calls on Meta. Definitely give myself plenty of wiggle room in the event that really does take off, but I'm thinking a lot of these tech names are kind of getting gassed out here a little bit. They may have more room, but looking at just kind of time constraints for the week and how much movement's left on the Delta, I'll probably sell some calls against Meta tomorrow, depending on how it opens. That said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. You're making plenty of money for you and your family out there. If you have any questions or what you're trading, let me know down below. As always, have an awesome week, and I'll see you guys for the next update.